Thank you all the media friends. Today we have an emergency MC conference. Our one agenda is for the forthcoming Lok Sabha election. We have thoroughly discussed about these issues, and we have 33 IPFT Different Committee from all over Tripura. The MCC members have present, and we have gathered their opinion, their viewpoint regarding this parliamentary election. With thorough discussion and deliberation, we have come to the consensus that observing the situation and the present scenario in Tripura, IPFT has decided to give our heavyweight candidate. Therefore, our party have decided that in West Tripura parliamentary constituency, which is unreserved, we have dynamic young leader Sri Sukla Nawatia will be contesting.
Sir, can you repeat the name again?
Hello?
एक मिनट
Like एक मिनट
Observing the situation of Tripura, the present situation, we have decided that we need to select dynamic leaders, heavyweight leaders, comparing with the other political party. Therefore, in West Tripura constituency, which is unreserved seat, we have selected from our party Sri Sukraswaran Nawatia, Youth IPFT General Secretary, will be contesting from West Tripura parliamentary constituency. Another side, number 2, East Tripura parliamentary constituency, which is a reserved seat for ST, will be contesting our President, our Honorable President and Minister, Sri N.C. Devarma, will be contesting from East Tripura Reserve Constituency. Seeing this situation, I think whole people of Tripura, both tribal and non-tribal, definitely will support our candidate. And seeing this, we have appealed to the people of Tripura, because IPFT is a recognized party, recognized state party. Therefore, being a recognized party in the state, we need to contest in every election, in assembly, district council, and parliamentary constituency, parliamentary election, we have to contest. Keeping in mind, our party has decided that both seat will contest from our party, and there is an option we have opened. If BJP party consider our demand, alliance we have negotiated with them, we have discussed with them, at least one seat should be provided to the alliance partner, with IPFT and BJP is an alliance partner, and also IPFT is a member of NEDA, member of NDA. In this regard, we have requested them, seeing all the Northeast state, Assam, Meghalaya, and other states, the NDA partner is provided. They are given a chance to contest with the alliance. With this viewpoint, we have suggested them, we have requested them again and again to the central leadership of BJP that IPFT also willing to contest one seat in reserve seat, especially in the East constituency, Tripura. But they are reluctant to give. Therefore, we have decided that will contest both seats. And in between, if there is any compromise, if there is any discussion, still we are open. And if they consider one seat, then we can withdraw from West Tripura constituency. This option we have still given to them. If they want to negotiate, we are ready to negotiate with them. But our standpoint will be that at least one seat, especially East constituency, should be provided to allow our IPFT party to contest. Thank you.